Hey guys, today I'm going to show you on how to install a magazine tube. This is made by JHARDWARE. This is a Canadian legal magazine tube. It's for my Benelli M4. I got this shotgun brand new, and I'm looking to upgrade the tube as the first upgrade for this gun. Alright, so I guess let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the tube, and I am very happy with the quality. I think it's a pretty well made magazine tube. I was a little bit concerned about the color, but you know what? It's pretty darn close. It's actually the shades is a little bit closer with the actual gun itself versus with the limiter that comes with the gun from Benelli. So yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the quality itself and the color. So let's go install it right now. Just gonna put this right there. So what we're gonna need, we're going to need a plier, and some sort of a screwdriver to help you to remove the cap that hold the retention spring. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're going to remove this cap right here. So you just twist it. See as that. And the next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the barrel. This is gonna we should be able just to pull it. There you go. Right, so we're just gonna set aside this guy right here. I'm gonna set aside this handguard there. And next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew this limiter. Just counterclockwise, lefty loosey. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna set that aside. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we need to remove this cap right here. I don't know if you can see it. I hope I can show you. There you go, right there. So we want to remove this cap right here, and that's the reason why we need this plier to put a pressure on the cap, and that will allow the cap to pop out a bit, and then you can proceed with the removing the cap completely, and along with the spring that comes right behind it. All right, so let's do that. And I'm gonna try, guys, to capture this as much as possible in the camera, and my apology if you know, if I go out of the frame from time to time.
I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious.
Alright, so I'm having difficulty with this plier, and I will be right back.
Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Now once you're a little bit like this, see if we can just a screwdriver to pop this out. Alright, almost there. So you just want to cover it with your hand here, just in case if the spring just pop out and fly across the room. You don't want that. There you go. It's out. Like I said, the spring is on a high pressure. I beat it up a little bit here, but it will survive. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. This cap here is under pressure, so we need to push them together like this to get it out, but my tool's not cooperating with me. And but anyway, we're able to get it out. And I don't think we're going to need this anymore, because I don't know if you can see it there. There's a little bit lip there that holding the spring together, so I don't think we need this any longer. So you just insert it and just kind of guide it back in. There you go. And this, I don't think you're gonna need it anymore. Just gonna put that aside. And yeah, and that's it. So what we're gonna do now, we just have to put the gun back together. So again, you just pretty much reverse it, how you take them out. Now you just have to reverse it. Just gonna go back in there. And then the hand guard, just need to follow the direction. It says left and right. Let's see if I can do this on the camera, but probably easier if I just make the shotgun stand. But I'm trying to get this on the frame for you guys. Let's see what I can do. And if anybody else know the easier way to put this shotgun back together, please leave in a comment. I would love to hear it. Okay, 1 second guys, let me just make it stand. Alright, I think I got it guys. There you go. See? Now I'm able to close the gap. So what I did, I just rocked the bolt back, and that seems to do the job. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're just going to put the cap back on. And tight it. And that's it guys, that's all to it. And yeah, there you go. I think I'm very happy with the result. The color is pretty good versus with the limiter that comes from the factory, as you can see. This one I think is much darker than the other one. So yeah, I'm happy with the result. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe guys. I will get more new video coming for you guys. I hope this video helpful for you guys who wants to install Mac extension tube. And have a good day guys. See you next time. Bye.